Hi everyone, and welcome back to Canning Coffee here with Saeco Aroma. And this machine was brought in because the customer described no flow, and we had found that electricity was making it to the pump, but the pump wasn't flowing, so we replaced it. Here it is working once again. It didn't come with the portafilter accessories, so we won't be able to test the shot, but we will be able to show you that water is now flowing from the group head. You can see a nice good hot flow. Alright, and now we'll try for some steam.
I'm early. I did have an 11 o'clock appointment, but I'm early. Okay. Just so we do.
Alright, there you go. Steam functioning just fine. Saeco Aroma working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Canning Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.